That
And
did she tell? Did she have like feelings to have you as a daughter-in-law, or
I
did she
think
know that he had
no,
feelings?
she did have feelings too.
हाँ.
And she उन्होंने जब मुझसे कॉन्वर्सेशन की उन्होंने मुझे यही कहा कि मेरा ये जो बेटा है इसको मेरे से बेटर कोई समझता नहीं है. The way he cares for you and the way he's concerned for you all the time, I'm telling you these are his feelings. He's just not as expressive.
हाँ.
So I think that was kind of a वहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो गई कि अच्छा अगर आंटी को नजर आ रहा है
नजर आ रहा है तो
फिर
कोई
good.
होगा. हाँ. होगा.
Yeah.
And then कोई grand proposal या because मुझे तो उर्वा का proposal याद था जो आईफिल टावर के नीचे वो बड़ा खूबसूरत मोमेंट था.
वो proposal की planning में मेरे बहुत हमने बड़ा वो किया था secretive that was a I think that is a big proposal I planned with my brother-in-law. But no, not this time around. Auntie proposed to me when they came to our house. Auntie gave me a ring and auntie said कि भाई ये इससे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, come here, sit here. And you know that's how it happened. It was very sweet. I think आप सोचते कुछ हो, हम movies में कुछ देखते हैं, फिल्म से हम कुछ inspiration लेते हैं about proposals, but I think and even as a teenager I must have also thought कि proposal होता है, you go down on your
बड़ा
knee.
कोई moment होगा.
Yeah, but I think his mother accepting me or giving me the love the way she did, the way she proposed to me and my family, मुझे लगता है मेरे माँ बाप की आंखें चमक रही थी. And I think वो मेरे लिए बहुत special moment है.
Emotional
and
time
not just
होगा ना.
Amir's mom, Amir's dad is also so warm. Over the years मेरी उनसे बड़ी दोस्ती हो गई थी तो मैं और अंकल बैठ के बहुत बातें करते थे. तो मुझे you know it was just the whole vibe together. मेरी अंकल से इंडिविजुअल दोस्ती थी, उनसे मैं अलग तरह की बातें करती थी, काम की, कोई एडवाइस, कोई इस तरह investments, you know, a lot of things. We talk about anything under the sun. आंटी से अलग तरह की बातें होती थी. And then Amir and I have a lot of common friends. So I became very comfortable in that circle. So I think वो life इतनी wholesome हो गई थी कि I didn't want to question it. I didn't want to know कब कैसे क्या permanent होना है, नहीं होना है, क्या. I didn't want to go into that. I think once when Amir went to Howard मुझे थोड़ा धचका लगा था कि वहीं ना सेटल हो जाए क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा सोच रहा था उस टाइम पे कि you know maybe I just pursue my legal career and I was like no, you have to come back. And thank God Neem brought him back.
And what a project that was. Neem was such a fantastic project and you both were so good in it, but I think he was exceptional.
Yeah, I think too. I think that too.
I mean, let's just give it to him.
No, he was. And I think to add stammer to your character in such an endearing way.
Absolutely.
And I have not seen a hero character stammer when it's not a mockery. Usually it's done to give comic relief or like, you know, all of that. But it was done in such a sensitive, endearing manner. Even I thought that Amir's performance was the best performance in Neem and generally.
Yeah, but I think वो जो उनकी personality की sensitivity है, वो it reflects in his character. नजर आती है उनके काम में. मैं पहली दफा मिली the other day and I felt that, you know, he does have a calm. He is reclusive, he's quiet, but he has a maturity and a calm that reflects in his work. And I think that's lovely. And I think it also balances both of you. Although you also become very calm with time, but maybe it's Amir rubbing off on you, you know?
And you know, I was never mindful of this change in my personality. It's only when people pointed it out to me. I remember in my last interview with Hassan asked me this and I said, ये जब आप लोगों ने मुझे point out किया है तो मुझे realize हुआ है कि मेरी personality shift हुई है. It's not like I was trying to change myself because I'm very happy with my journey and how I've grown over the years. सबके सामने ही मैं तो, you know, सब चीजें सबके सामने बड़ी हुई हूँ. तो मुझे लगता है कि उनकी personality का it has had a very good effect on my personality and the way I think.
I mean, 2016 वाली सनम तेरी कसम वाली मावरा और 2025 with your re-release, by the way, congratulations. I mean, what a phenomenal success.
Oh my God, thank you.
And you credited completely to Amir कि इसकी good luck है.
मैं आपको पता है मेरे credit देने से पहले my producer called me from Bombay and he said आपके पति हमारे लिए बड़े भाग लेकर आए हैं. I said I agree क्योंकि ये एक ही missing puzzle piece थे. And it happened on the wedding day, so that also made me think that.
Amazing. I mean, क्योंकि film तो वही है. और हमने तो उस वक्त भी enjoy की थी, but it wasn't a box office hit जो अब उसको जिस किस्म की acclaim मिली है. मतलब I think उस वक्त बहुत सी releases हो रही थी, अच्छी थी, मगर जो अभी जो हमने देखा एक frenzy of, you know, success and numbers and everybody's talking about it and everybody's covering it. Yeah. Insane. और शादी वाले दिन तो कुछ तो the stars were aligned I think on it है ना, had to be.
I think कल परसों ही कुछ हमारे घर पे लोग आए हुए थे उर्वा और फरहान भाई की तरफ, तो वो मुझे congratulate कर रहे थे, तो फरहान भाई अमीर को टैप करके कह रहे लड़का हमारा नसीब लेकर आया. So I agree. I agree with that. I think कि बहुत अच्छी किस्मत लेकर आया.
अच्छी किस्मत है. हाँ, अल्लाह का शुक्र है. लो जी, शादी का वक्त आ गया और एक दिन सडनली पता चलता है कि जी मावरा की और अमीर की तो निकाह हो गया है. एक तस्वीर लगती है और पता चलता है. ऑल्दो विस्पर्स चाइनीज विस्पर्स तो चल रहे थे कि शादी हो रही है, नहीं हो रही, हो रही है, होनी है, नहीं हो रही. तो ये इतना सीक्रेट क्यों था?
सीक्रेट नहीं था. You know, I've been saying this to everyone that there's a difference between being secretive and being private. We were just trying to be private about it, and whispers तो हमारे तब से चल रहे हैं जब से हमें ही नहीं पता था कि हमारी शादी होनी है. तो whispers didn't bother us this time around. Either हमने कहा तो तब से चल रहे हैं जब कुछ कोई बात ही नहीं थी, कोई चांस ही नहीं था. तो अभी भी चल रहे हैं तो चलने देते हैं. लेकिन शादी को प्राइवेट रखने का मकसद सिर्फ ये था कि हम उसको बहुत ही होलसम तरीके से एंजॉय कर सकें. Of course, it's such a joyful moment for us. We wanted to share it with the world, but at a time we feel like sharing it, and not through the process. So I think वो process हमारे लिए बहुत ही अपना था, क्योंकि सबके साथ shared नहीं था. And of course, once we shared it with the kind of love we received, we're so grateful. But I think वो ऐसे moments होते हैं,
outpouring of love.
Yeah.
इतना प्यार.
No, we're so
like
grateful.
Overwhelming. Yeah.
So grateful to the fans and to everybody. बहुत unbelievable. लेकिन उसको सिर्फ प्राइवेट रखने का मकसद ये था कि आपके ना अपनी फैमिली के साथ मोमेंट्स मिस हो जाते हैं. When there's too much noise and there's too much, and we've been in the field, my entire family, for the last like over a decade now. And we've realized how much we've missed out on क्योंकि वो noise में कहीं गुम हो जाता है. So I think this time around we were very mindful that we really want to enjoy it with our family members. Plus, we didn't have a very long time between when the dates were fixed and to the wedding. तो हम लोगों की हमने सारी शादियाँ रखी भी घरों में थी. निकाह मेरे घर पे था, मेरे पेरेंट्स के घर पे. Ruksati was from Urva Farhan's house, and Walima was at Amir's farm. So क्योंकि सब ऐसे बस planning ही ऐसे घर वाली हो रही थी, and only people, we invited the people who we were really close to, all really close friends and family. So yeah, that was.
और अमीर का भी जिनके साथ comfort level हो.
बिल्कुल.
Because he's more of the private one. So
I think कि मतलब अब तो मुझे भी, because I have experienced it and I have realized how. I don't know how to say this, but इतना आपको like your heart's full जब आप कम लोगों में और सब आपके सिर्फ अपने होते हैं ना, and it's not up for display in that very moment, आप you're able to live that moment. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीका था to do it. लेकिन I think if you'd asked me a month ago, maybe I would have wanted to invite the whole world. But अब मुझे समझ में आ गई है कि क्यों it's just better to keep it private and then enjoy it with your loved ones.
Right.
And then of course the world can see what you did.
Absolutely.
You know, ऐसा कोई secret तो था नहीं. I think I shared जितने भी events हुए हैं.
Like you said, difference between secretive or private.
Yeah, I mean मायूं मेरे घर के terrace पे था. तो you know सिर्फ मेरी girlfriends और सिर्फ अमीर की side से भी all the girls and it was so wholesome. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
तो शादी की planning तो of course पहले से ही हुई होगी, and especially the wardrobe. वो तो एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल कि you know बाद में you release pictures of the मायूं and the ढोलकीज़, मगर पहली जो तस्वीर लोगों